Want to make Telegram feel more like your asterisk space? Today, I'll show you step by step how to change the background in Telegram desktop so you can personalize your chats and make them look the way you want. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to pick out subtle gradients, animated wallpapers, or even create your own custom theme, giving your Telegram experience a fresh, vibrant look. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to open your Telegram desktop app. Once it's up and running, look to the very top left corner of the window. You'll see three horizontal lines that's often called the hamburger menu. Go ahead and click it. Don't worry if you don't spot it right away. Just look for that little stack of lines next to your profile picture or the Telegram logo. Clicking this menu gives you access to all the main areas of Telegram. Next, you'll want to head into your settings. In that menu you just opened, you'll see settings listed among the options. Click on it, it's your gateway to customizing just about everything in Telegram. Sometimes these steps feel intimidating, but trust me, once you're in settings, it's all pretty straightforward. Once the settings panel opens, look for chat settings. This is where all the magic happens for backgrounds and themes. Clicking it brings up a new set of options specifically for how your messages and chat windows look. If you ever get lost, just remember, chat settings changes how chats feel while regular settings change app behaviors. Let's talk about themes first. In chat settings, you'll see a color theme section. This is where you choose your basic app mood with options like classic, day, or night. Each theme changes the overall look, brightness, and contrast, making Telegram easier on your eyes depending on your workspace or the time of day. Want a fresh light look? Try day. Prefer something easier on your eyes at night. Night mode is perfect, and if you want to get creative, look for the little kebab menu, 3 dots near the theme option. Clicking here lets you create an entirely new theme. You can tinker with colors and patterns until it's exactly how you want, but maybe you're after something a bit more personal. Scroll down in chat settings until you find chat background. This section lets you truly customize the wallpaper behind your messages. Telegram offers some default options, including colorful gradients, and with recent updates, some smooth animated wallpapers. These can add subtle motion and modern vibes to your chat screen, making things feel less static. Of course, maybe you'd rather see your favorite photo, vacation snap, or design in the background. To do this, click the Change Background button. You can set a wallpaper for all asterisk chats, or even choose a unique background for specific conversations if you want to make each chat stand out. When you select Choose from File, pick any image from your computer. This is a great way to make Telegram feel uniquely yours. Maybe set a motivational image, a relaxing nature view, or a favorite artwork. And if you chose to create a custom theme earlier, you'll get a theme creator screen. Here you can pick your own colors and background patterns. Take your time, play with the sliders and options, and when you're happy, just hit save and apply. Don't worry if you don't get it perfect the first time, you can always tweak it later. Once you've picked your new look, simply go back to your main chat screen. You'll see your changes immediately. Whether you made adjustments for all chats or just a particular conversation, Telegram will instantly update your background so you can enjoy your fresh new setup. That's it, now your Telegram chats will look just the way you want. If you found this walkthrough helpful, hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have questions or want more tips for Telegram. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.